What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a voiceover to a video in CapCut PC. So to make a voiceover for a video in CapCut, all you need to do is to click on this microphone icon, which represents a voiceover icon. Then as you can see now, a tab has been opened. Here is the voiceover. Now we can choose the input device that we want to use. I'm going to choose my microphone. You can change the volume for your voiceover. And also you can turn on or turn off echo reduction, mute project, and enhance voice. We're going to leave these settings as are they now. And to start recording your voiceover, all you have to do is to click on start recording, like so. And as you can see now, as we talk, a voiceover is being generated in our timeline for our video. And after you want to end your voiceover, all you have to do is to click on end recording, like so. And as you can see now, we have a voiceover for our video. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.